Do your Norton jump.
I was about to say that.
Do the Norton jump. See if that works.
You know what you should do?
Yeah, Zach would be like ripping his balls
Put
off.
him in the box and then hide the fucking box.
Do it. Hide that!
And then float them out in the water.
Your animal's just gonna have to learn to swim the hard way.
Oh, you stepped on Littlefoot.
Did you hear what I said to him?
God, you're
like,
so
get off me. He goes, no, and I go, do it, or your animals are gonna learn to swim the hard
Haven't you seen The Land Before Time? Come on.
Yeah, I used to watch it all the time.
Yeah,
Littlefoot!
When I was a little kid.
Actually, Care is just sad. It's a stuffed animal.
I just want Nemo.
Who's Nemo? Oh, Jesus.
You guys suck.
You guys are awful people. Why do we hang out with them?
Eamon, you can kill him with that
It
one.
looks like Josh's long hair. I don't like it.
I know, that's such an ugly, what is it, do-rag? Hey, Josh!
I thought about it.
Josh! Hey! Why are you wearing a do-rag? You're white.
Not a do-rag. You're white.
He's a yar.
He's a pet.
Nemo just slapped you in the face.
Nemo slap.
Is that Nemo?
Nemo slap.
It's like a carnival toy. You're like a carnival toy. You want to bring it back?
You killed him. What the fuck are you?
What were we singing before? Somewhere. Guys, my key. My spoon is too big. I don't want this. Damn it. Short throw.
My tea brings all
shit
the
in your
boys
purse.
to the
Okay.
Hey, look out!
Mary?
No! I'm gonna kill you guys. You're a horrible, horrible person. Yes.
Fuck away from me. I just tried to make out Katie.
I'm sorry.
Turn on your fan.
Katie!
Right on your crotch, too.
As much as I love your hand being right next to my ass, could you just like move?
Actually, that's my elbow.
Okay, well, get away from me.
No, I'm comfy, keep saying.
I don't want it.
Aaron's healthy food is gonna blow away.
Aaron's healthy food is gonna blow away.
Do a Norton jump.
God.
Look at penguin. Throw it.
Oh, it's Jessica
Littlefoot.
You guys' ass.
I like penguins. Pengy.
Wanna put this over in one of those chairs?
I love you.
Grab the penguin.
God.
Don't trip.
A penguin! Nice park job, Oliver.
Pengy.
Thank you. My thank you.
I say
Well, you know.
penguins are the coolest shit. Like the shit that comes right out of the ass, you know?
You know this is going on YouTube.
Cool! Hi, YouTube. And if Rick Moranis sees this, fuck you, Rick Moranis.
Who's
Fuck
Rick
you and your
Moranis?
pussy with friends.
Rick Moranis.
Who's
Who's that?
Rick Moranis? Yeah.
The first thing that came to my mind was Rickroll, and I'm like, but that's not right.
Rick Rowan?
Keep rolling, Rick and rolling.
No, Rickrolled.
I thought Rick Rowan.
Rick rolled what?
I got Rickrolled once in my whole entire life.
Oh
What?
my god.
Where like you think you're watching a video about something totally different, and then this music video starts.
It looks like you're calling out for help. You're like,
You guys are douche.
I
Oh!
could swing more.
Nope.
no one on the phone.
Swagger like us.
I like that song.
Penguin.
What are you guys playing?
Oh my